Well, this is the one thing that inspires me about this program. One, I could go in the community and help others that need help to raise their awareness in their association for their community. And then as the months and years go on, I can still be with these guys and say, hey, you want to make some bread? All right, let's go out to this community and make this happen. Same with the cars. Got cars coming in, ready to wash? All right, let's make it happen. Now, where I want to go to LSU, and I also want to go to the NFL. And what inspires me, these guys today, is that I wouldn't be nowhere different if it wasn't for Mr. Ricky and Mr. T-Man over here.
And what about me?
And Mr. Justin, I ain't gonna leave him out.
So tell me this, so how did you find out about the program?
Well, how I found out about the program is with the help of my man. The help of my man, this fella right here. And I also found out the program thanks to you, Mr. Justin and Mr. Mike.
So what did he tell you when he first told you about this program? He said, hey, come with me, or hey, bro, I got somewhere where you can work, or what was said to allow you to come?
What was said to allow me to come was, say, bro, come, got you something to work, you know what I'm saying, got you straight, make sure everything that you have is, applied and, positive instead of negative. But my biggest challenge that I'm facing right now is that being positive is all you can be. And being negative is not doing nothing but getting you in trouble.
Yeah, because they put some type of
But really, this is all Big Brother Association. Big brothers, little brothers, middle class brothers, don't matter. We all a family.
He's trying to make an interview.
We all need one another. We all need one another. We all need to stick together. We all need to be positive. We all need to be on a good path. We all got to be on a straight pathway. Like I was told by my father, you mess over somebody, it's going to come back to you. You do wrong, wrong going to come back to you. You do right, right going to come back to you.
Amen, brother. Facts.
Amen. And for all my brothers that's at this table today, I just want to say God bless all of you. And God bless all of my family, my friends, including my brothers. And Mr. T-Man. And Mr. Mike and all the rest.
What you think about that fella right there?
I think about this fella here is that he is a motivator. He is a leader. He's very physical. He doesn't back down. He's one of those type guys that can lead the youth, the next youth that's getting up there in the next generation. I can do the same. Same with Mr. Justin. Same with Mr. Mike. Same with Mr. Warren.
You're about to make me cry.
Same with you, Mr. Ricky. With all of you guys around me, I'm surrounded by nothing but positive brothers' influence. All of us work together as a unit, as a brotherhood, as a family. And what all the people that's watching at home and all the viewers gotta know is that positive is the main key in order to get where you got to be in the future. Because if you ain't got no positive energy, you're just gonna wear down. You're wearing yourself down. You're losing your own opportunity to do something that you want to do in your past, for your future, for your present, for the mothers and fathers and the brothers and sisters and the children of all kinds. Let us all get together and enjoy this experience. Let's all get together and have one of the best times of our life while we still have that chance. Let's all have a great 2020. Like I said, it's all about going hard and going home.
Me and Mike get no
You go hard, you get good things. You go home, you lose things. And that's what this experience is about. And with Mr. Man on my side and all the rest of the fellas, I'm going to be a success on their team. 2020.